Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the first turkey in the new Thanksgiving update on Brookhaven. So you have to see if I can remember where it is. You have to go behind, I think, one of these buildings here. Yeah, you have to go kind of here at the back behind these doors, and you have to go on these stairs. So just jump. Oh my gosh, it's very hard to like go up these stairs. Okay, there we go. And then you'll be able to find it there. That is where the first turkey is. So I'm just gonna jump there and click on it, and it says prop unlocked, and that is the first turkey for this like event. And yeah, I'll let you know tomorrow where the second turkey is, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. I think it gives you the clue here kind of a little bit of where the turkey is. So just keep an eye out on the picture. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!